projects in Bulacan is Wawa Builders Corporation, one of the top 15 contractors in President Ferdinand Marcos's list.
Ito, Secretary Bonoan, kung may kaunti pa nakahihiya dyan sa katawan mo, have the courtesy, umalis ka na dyan, bumaba ka na sa pwesto mo. Kung hindi mo alam yung nangyayari dyan sa ahensya mo at tinuturo mo yung mga regional director at district engineer, incompetent ka.
Senator Francis Pangilinan also wonders why Secretary Manuel Bonoan has not resigned despite the alleged anomalies.
Sa ganitong katinding trilyong pisong halaga ng pagnanakaw sa gobyerno sa ilalim ng public works. Ang magiging tanong ko sa Martes sa privilege speech ni Senator Lacson ay, bakit hindi pa nagre-resign yung Secretary ng Public Works? Yun lang po. At naway maisagot sana ng maayos.
Former Department of Public Works and Highway Secretary Rogelio Singson is reportedly being eyed to return to the agency. On ANC's Head Start, Singson confirmed receiving informal offers from Malacanang, but he also said returning to the helm of a government agency would not sit well with his wife.
Definitely may feelers. The president and I go a long way. When he was still a governor and then became senator, I think that would be far-fetched because my wife will leave me already if I go back to government.
Malacanang has yet to comment on reports that the president is already finding a replacement for Bonoan. Senate President Pro Tempore Jingo Estrada meanwhile says whether Secretary Bonoan stays or not is up to the president.
I'm not defending him, pero baka hindi lang malalaman ni Secretary Bonoan yung mga nangyayari sa baba, no? So hindi naman yung monitor yan, no? Kaya lang ang problema niya, command responsibility. That is his responsibility as Secretary of the department.
Estrada, however, wants the DPWH officials and the congressman named by Senator Panfilo Lacson and the Commission on Audit to face the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee during its next hearing on flood control. In Lacson's speech, he said 0.5% to 1% of flood control funds are allocated by corrupt officials for the COA.
Yes, they have to be present. Patatawag siguro natin sila yung mga district engineers, of course, ng Bulacan, Mindoro, and pati yung COA. Kasi hindi magpo-prosper ang ghost project kung walang cooperation ng COA.
Senator Juan Miguel Zubiri, for his part, wants the Blue Ribbon Committee to dig deeper and name the proponents of the anomalous projects.
Yung mahirap po kasi, hindi ko po alam sa House kung may lalabas pa nila yung proponents. Dito sa Senado, labas natin ang proponents ng mga projects na to. Pati doon sa House, sana may labas din nila.
He also urges Senator Lacson to deliver another privileged speech focusing on the Bicol region.
Marami rin pong ghost projects sa Bicol, maraming palpak na projects sa Bicol, lalo na sa home province of my mother in Albay.
Senate Majority Leader Joel Villanueva, meanwhile, is looking into reports he received regarding the ghost flood control projects in Bulacan. He points out that the DPWH has a funding of at least 1 million pesos a day in this year's budget, as well as the previous years, which should have been put to good use. RG Cruz, ABS-CBN News.